Welcome to another episode of Father and Son Workshop, I think it is. Today we're going to be working on this one series. It's sitting low on this side, but it is smashed, and the other side is sitting higher. However, I have bought two, this is an M Sport, so I've got two M Sport springs, and I'm going to change both springs, so they're both same. So yeah, let's crack on with this thing then.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to undo that bolt, but obviously it is very old, so we're going to spray it with some WD-40 now. And once we've got that bolt undone, that cradle should drop down so we can take the spring off.
The rear suspension has got a control there to basically adjust the camber on the wheel. So when you put it back, trying to put it back right, same way. With the tension of that spring, this is going to come down, yeah? So when I put my screwdriver through, that held it in place. But I can take my screwdriver out, put a jack underneath it. Now release the jack slowly. There you go. If you see it come down, that's coming down, that's coming down. Carry on, carry on. Carry on, carry on. Carry on, and you'll see the stress that that spring will go. Come on, carry on. Carry on. Carry on. That's it, and that's released it now. You see it's off the jack. And that, now if I pull that down, there the spring comes. And there's a spring come loose. So Ajit's gonna pull it down from that side, and I'm just gonna slide the spring in. So go and pull it down. And that's it. Just turn it around, and that's in its place. There we go. Perfect. There's a rubber bush inside there, so it needs to sit in there, and it's sitting perfectly in there, and then the top one's sitting fine. Now to put it back in, we just need to jack it up. Yeah. That's it, perfect. Now you can take the jack off and leave it in. Remember I said that about that traction thing? So there's one on the other side, so if I move that bolt, look, it'll go around in place where I need it to be, and that's where it was. So it should be where we need it. So I just cleaning the hubs off before I put the wheels on. Very crummy, the wheels just didn't come off.
Okay, so we have got everything put back together, wheels on, tightened, and you can see how much of a difference that has made since the old one was like completely snapped. But yeah, that side is very good. And then take a look at this side. That's also good there. So it's good.
Thank you for watching. And the springs on the E87. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.